Hello everyone, and welcome back to another lesson. And today we'll be doing another three: a notify icon, a numeric up down button, and my favorite, a picture box. First of all, let's do the picture box first because that's one of my favorites, and it has so much you could do. But with that, you could totally. So first of all, let's go to references, right? Actually, I'm sorry. We go to resources, and with resources, you can add new things. With new things, let's add a. You can add a string, an image, an icon. But we already have an existing, so what I'm going to do is back out and load these two files in. When we load these files in, you don't need to put them with the executable. They're already embedded into the program itself, and you don't ever have to worry about adding extra files. It's a good way to do it if you don't have a lot of images or something like that. But with that, we already have it in. So now we can add a picture box. So if we add a picture box, we can go up here and choose an image, and our images are right there. Well, that one's really big, and see, look, we could always import one from our files, but since we've already have one here, let's just import one. And since the size is normal, we could always enlarge it. What we can do is stretch the image as well. And there you go. It goes back. So we have a nice picture. And we have normal image. It auto sizes for you, so it's that big. You could center the image, so it's at that center point of that image. And you can zoom in. And it zoomed. So in this point in case, that's your picture. You can use that picture to turn off, turn on, use that to paint on, but it's really fun to add pictures to your application. Next would be the numeric up down button. This is just a button that goes up to a set amount. Right now here it starts at 0, the max amount is 100, so you can crank it up. If we start it, we can crank it up all the way to 100. We can go down, and this is mainly used for for example, if you're making a grid, you can put two numeric up downs for the height and the width of the grid, and you can dynamically expand that, and it will update it. You can do the width of the height of a rectangle at real time, and you can update it, and it can update it real time. So those are some examples on what you can use for numeric up down. And with that, that's so much about it. You're just adding numbers, and the numbers will go add to it. Next is a little more complicated, a notify icon, which you already see me one have done here because I was testing it earlier. So a notify icon, it will essentially update you when something happens. So if we decide to, let's say, go and resize, let's go to an event, and it's in the R, so it should be there's just oh, there we go, resize. I couldn't find it. So with that, we could do notify dot balloon tip text equals you have resized this application NotifyIcon 1 dot with that, that should do it. So if we resized it, so because that didn't work, we need to do a little something different. So what we need to do is do a NotifyIcon 1 dot icon equals system icons dot application, and with that it should give us, once we do it, and there we go. At the bottom right, you said just you have resized this application. So every time it resizes, it'll give us a notification that it's done that. So that's how you do a notification icon. You could probably do that with minimizing, like it did, minimizing your application. If you're doing a process that something happened, to let you know that the process is done. But other than that, that is the 3 specific things: the PictureBox, the NumericUpDown, and the NotifyIcon. With that, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, if you can like, comment, and subscribe, that would be great. Thank you guys, and enjoy.